Top leaders from 8 political parties and organizations are set to hold a crucial meeting with Chief Advisor Professor Mohammad Yunus this evening amid rising political tensions and ongoing discussions over his possible resignation. The meeting will take place at the Chief Advisor's official residence and office Jamuna with participation of Hifazat-e-Islami Bangladesh, Islami Andolon Bangladesh, Gano Adhikar Porishod, Bangladesh Khilafat Mujlis, Amar Bangladesh Party, AB Party, Jamiat Ulema-e-Islam, Khilafat Mujlis and Nizam-e-Islami Party. Key agenda items include the framework of the interim government, the upcoming national election and proposals to try individuals linked to authoritarian practices under Sheikh Hasina's rule. Earlier on Saturday, delegations from BNP, Jamaat-e-Islami and the National Citizens Party NCP also met with the Chief Advisor at Jamuna as part of a series of ongoing consultations.
নগদ পেমেন্টে 500 টাকা পর্যন্ত ক্যাশব্যাক আর লেনদেনে প্রতিদিন ডিপ ফ্রিজ এবং ঘন্টায় ঘন্টায় এসি টিভি সহ দারুণ সব গিফট।